3, 2, 1.
Which electronic device converts light into electricity? The answer is A. Photovoltaic cell. In the ballet La Sylphi, what is James doing in Act 1 when a sylph, a forest fairy, gazes lovingly upon him? The answer is B. Sleeping. I'm spoken in the palace and the bazaar, but not in the courtroom. What am I? The answer is B. English. What title did King Juan Carlos of Spain bestow on Salvador Dali in 1982? The answer is B. Marquis of Poubelle. Coal mines are an essential for what industries? The answer is C. Energy generation. I can watch you, but you can't watch me back. What am I? The answer is C. Movie theater. Before its name was changed, what was John F. Kennedy International Airport known as? The answer is B. Idlewild Airport. What is the addition of nucleotides to the mRNA strand? The answer is A. Elongation. What is Poseidon, the Greek god, known for controlling? The answer is D. Fire. What is the main character in Fortnite? The answer is C. Jonesy. Who holds the record for the most tattoos removed by laser? The answer is D. Dave Thomas. My banks are where you find a town, but I'm not a building. What am I? The answer is B. Village. Which piece of equipment is used in volleyball? The answer is A. Ball. What is the marketing slogan of MasterCard? The answer is B. There are some things money can't buy. Which calculation is used to determine acceleration? The answer is A. Divide change in velocity by change in time. A level is used to check what? The answer is D. Balance. When and where was weightlifting introduced in Olympics? The answer is A. 1986 at Athens. Which event led to the fall of the Roman Empire? The answer is D. Barbarian invasions. Which architect designed the modernist Villa Savoy? The answer is A. Le Corbusier. I am weightless, odorless, colorless, tasteless, and I make up most of the universe. What am I? The answer is D, helium. What is the standard measurement for mass? The answer is D, grams. Who invented the saxophone? The answer is A, Adolphe Sax. In a scientific investigation, what do you call a direct, physical observation of something or a process? The answer is D, evidence. What is the result of 8.5/4? The answer is D, 2.1. Which garment is used to keep the head warm? The answer is B, hat. Within the Olympian tradition, Dionysus was said to be the son of Zeus and which mortal woman? The answer is C, Semele. What is the most populous city designed by an architect? The answer is A, New York City Grid Plan. What does RAM stand for? The answer is A, random access memory. What organism captures light energy and converts it to chemical energy inside its cell? The answer is D, phototrophs. I am never at home, but I stay where I am. I have no body, but I travel all over the world. What am I? The answer is A, stamp. Where would jumping be the hardest? The answer is B, Jupiter. Who was the last person to talk to Harry at the end of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets? The answer is B, Hermione. What is the name for the energy required for an electron to be added to a neutral atom in its gaseous form? The answer is B, electron affinity. I write under different names but share the same handwriting. Who am I? The answer is C, artist. I'm a country that starts with S, known for kangaroos and Sydney. What am I? The answer is D, Australia. I'm moving faster than light, yet I'm always behind you. What am I? The answer is C, a reflection. Which system absorbs and carries food from the digestive system to the rest of the body? The answer is C, circulatory system. What family have lived next door to the Rovers return throughout Coronation Street's run? The answer is D, Barlows. Vein deposits of gold and silver are often formed in areas that have experienced which geologic process? The answer is A. Igneous intrusion. Does the streamlined body featured on most fish increase or decrease water resistance? The answer is A. Decrease. Which of these flags is the oldest still in use? The answer is B. Denmark's Dannebrog. Which company introduced the first commercially available microcomputer? The answer is C. Commodore. Which automaker is not based in Detroit? The answer is D. Porsche. I'm always in style, but never wear clothes. What am I? The answer is C. Fashion trend. Which musical instrument is played by tapping the toes and heels on a resonating box called a body? The answer is B. Banjo. Which piece of equipment is used in tennis? The answer is D. Tennis racket. I chop and mince, yet my hands remain clean. What am I? The answer is D. Robot. A stringed keyboard instrument that produces sound by the vibration of strings when keys are struck. The answer is A. Piano. What does ego represent in the psychodynamic theory? The answer is C. Unconscious. What is rusting an example of?